Still out in Ontario Mills. They got some retail shops. Let's go look around. All right, we found some crazy, insane deals here in the past. I'm hoping to see the same. This store's really huge. Foot Locker's huge. See a ton of sales tags. This is the Adidas section right here. Price is not crazy, but not expensive. Not expensive. Do got some deals. Got forums right here. These rivalries or these forums? Yeah, these are forums right here. Some got straps, some don't, man. Confused the hell out of me. Do got the Gill Zeros right there, and then got a couple of Gill Zeros and Trey Youngs on the bottom. And do got the GT Jumps. We've been seeing these on sale. There's that powder blue one. This one's also really nice right here. Black, white with the translucent outsole. Like, have you guys hooped these? These look nice. These look dope. Why is there an outlet location on East LA but not here? Like, this doesn't make sense. This location should definitely be an outlet. Like, no sales tags, no sales tags, no sales tags. This is an outlet mall. Kind of weird. It's weird because they don't get releases, but they don't really have outlet prices. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But yeah, do got some OGs right here. Do got the OG Barclays right here. These are going for regular price, but some of your old heads, I know y'all know what's up with those. Do got one of the new colorways of the CB94. Is that what they're calling these? But yeah, those are the Barclays, yo. They don't get the releases, but they do have some Jordans. I'm just trying to find stuff on sale for you guys. Not really finding that much, to be really honest. They got Jordan 1 highs right there, and then they got these bad boys. Man, I hope you guys got this for cheap, dude. I hope you guys did. And then for the Team J's, they do have stuff on sale. Do got the 312s right here. Multiple colorways. We've seen them cheaper though. We have seen them cheaper. Got some of the, what are those? The MVPs and stuff like that. You got Max R's right here. The Comforts. Got stuff. 11 low IEs right there. Bunch of Hokas down to $100. All right, looking around, not seeing the crazy prices, especially after hitting up the one out in East LA. Man, they got stuff. They got a pretty good selection here. Told y'all fools, man, I'm gonna keep showing these. I'm gonna keep showing them every time I see them because these are some OGs. They got the Kobe PEs, the OG Kobe PEs. Got the regular Iversons right here. We got some Omnis. So these are Omni 2s, right? Omni, yeah, the Omnis. Okay, I've never seen this colorway. $80 for those. Got some Shaq Victories right here. Got Question Pumps right here. More of the Question Pumps. Oh, and got these bad boys right here, the Iversons. This is not the UNC colorway. This is the Denver Nuggets colorway when he was with Denver. These are fat, dude. These are dope. I am such a fan of these. These are bulky, but I am such a fan of these. We've just seen better deals on those. I think I paid $45 for mine. I paid $40 for my kiddos. I got one for my kiddo, $40. Wearing some Jordan 1s on feet. I do have socks on. They're no-shows. I'm not that down. Most of you guys know, right? Air Force 1 shorts. Got these for hella cheap at the clearance store. Then wearing the Tupac shirt. Been hearing a bunch of Tupac songs, so it kind of worked out. But yeah, it's warm inside the mall, so I took off my hoodie. Then we do have some women's deals right here. Do got the reverse lanies, $120 for those bad boys right there. Got a lot of red sales tags. Like, you know, is it worth showing y'all though? That's the question. Jordan 2s. Been seeing those on sale everywhere. Got the Sabrinas, $120 for those. Interesting colorway. Air Max 1s. Saw these at the Nike outlet. I told you guys, cheaper at the retail stores. Friendly reminder, if you guys need the address for any of the locations that I do go to, we do have it in the description. Yeah, let's go check out some more stores, dude. Do got a chance. See what's up here. In the Nike basketball section. Look at this. How did they have Kyrie lows here? How did they have Kyrie lows here? And how are they supposedly regular price? They got one right there too. How the hell are these regular prices? Like, I don't know. This don't make sense. Don't make sense, dude. We got some Air Max Pluses right here. 97s. I like this colorway. I don't mind those at all, man. That's one of the nicer colorways for the Air Max 97s, in my opinion. And then I guess I got some New Balance basketball sneaker right here. Oh, these are the two-ways. Two-ways, the 4th gen of the two-ways. Oh, they're all right. They're all right. They're here. Industrial blue, aka military blue 4s. I don't know why I call it industrial blue. No, these are the military blue 4s, dude. Dude got the hydros right here. Dude got the breads right here as well. 65 a piece for those. Summer's right around the corner, right? In the women's section right here, look, cheaper than the Adidas outlets. $70. The colorway's not bad. Colorway's not bad for these at all. All right, that was a great school. Now we're in the women's. $80. What, $10 off for the 574s? I still like these 574s. Though. I still like them. Pro standard gear right here. This is pretty interesting. I don't know about the color, but the graphics and the logos and stuff, freaking dope, dude. This is pro standard, so it's not cheap. $100. It brings it down to $50. Just not a fan of that color. It feels like gray or black or white. I think it would be way nicer. What's up with this? Oh yeah, they got stuff right here too. They got these. Okay, like Letterman's jackets. Does have the leather arms right there. These are pretty nice. This is pro standard as well. Okay. Okay. $250 down to $125. Also got Mighty Ducks gear here as well. And this is Mitchell and Ness. 2 bills. Oh, it's a Temu Solani one. Okay. $100. 200 down to $100. And then Duke got a Robitaille jersey as well. LA Kings. This is nice. Mitchell and that stuff right here. I'm not even into hockey, but I can appreciate this because this is fire, dude. That is fire. 92, 93. I don't see a tag on this one. So those are 100 as well. 200 down to 100 after the savings. They just opened up one of these. This is a huge freaking store. Holy cow. Holy cow. They got Yeezys. Got Yeezys just chilling here. Oh, they took off the letters and stuff, huh? Okay. $230 for those. They do got the 11s. These just released, and I think they're doing raffle winners today. So this is just a grade school. But do got these. Okay. I like these. I do like them. I'm not paying full retail right now, but I do like them. These the Bad Bunnies. They still got the Bad Bunny campuses right here. I like these. I do like them, but damn, I'm not really spending like that. Not spending like that. I can't believe they got the Yeezys and stuff. I guess this is a release. These are release items. Then look at this, 38s down to $100. Holy cow, $100 freaking dollars. Then got the Lucas right here. The latest Lucas down to $70. And they got sales, man. 312s, Legacy 312s down to $50 freaking dollars. Holy cow. Chambray 7s, $150. Okay. We got the 9s here as well. The women's section do got plenty of J's, probably smaller sizes, but got plenty of releases. Haven't seen these in a while. Snakeskin yellows right here. I haven't seen these in a while. And the satin bread still as well. And the 2s. Got the 2s. And then the 2 3s. Then they got the smoke gray Jordan 1. Low OGs right here. And got a couple. Guarantee they got these for grand opening. Got 12s and 14s right here. These suedes are nice. I am a fan of these. Damn. Then for grade school, checking stuff on sale. Look at this. Look at this. Not bad. Not bad at all. And the mids, man. Mids on sale for grade school. Also got the low OGs right there. Look at $100. $100 for, is this grade school or what is this? Yeah, I'm trying to remember how much grade school came out for. I don't know. We got these grade school exclusive colorway right here as well. I think that's a grade school exclusive as well. Okay. Then they got the Air Max 90s up top. A Dunks right here. Got Dunks on sale. Got Dunks on sale down here. Look at this. Mids right here. Got highs right here. $60 for the mocha looking ones right here. Every move I make. Are we still allowed to like Diddy songs? Is that allowed? Is that allowed? He's like, hell no. He's like, hell no. This is the first time I've heard one of Diddy's songs. I was thinking about it somewhere. Oh, you've been hearing it like crazy?
All day.
Oh, that's hilarious.
$39 on these. You like these?
Oh, okay.
$39
Dude, for $40.
Yeah.
It's suede.
Not bad.
Material looks pretty nice. Holy shit, not bad.
Normally $140.
Damn, not bad. And then they got all their up tempos and stuff. Got pennies here for $100. Okay. Witnesses down here up to $50. Got Cortezes on sale. $70 for a couple of Cortez up top. Cortez is $70. It's crazy because they limit them. Then everybody pays resale, and then they come out with a bunch of them, and then they go on sale. It's just crazy how that works. But yeah, they got them under retail. Still like them. I still like them. Dang, I wish they had them at the outlet at my size. God dang it, especially with that refurb. That was just so cheap. Damn, $40 for Witness. Holy cow, holy cow. Oh yeah, I was like, why is this over here? I was like, I swear that was next to the Jaws. What the hell? Pretty much all the 21s, LeBron 21s. I said, look at that, $70? $70? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Holy cow. That's the cheapest we've seen these for sure.
I picked up one.
That's definitely the.
That's crazy.
I'm not allowed to like this song anymore. I used to love this song, dude. Damn, this stuff's all messed up, man. What the hell? $90 for Vomeros. I think that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. And then Duke got more LeBrons. How did they have LeBrons over there? And LeBron's here too? What the hell? Duke got a couple of the newer ones right here. Okay. Looking at a grade school dunk I've never seen before. What the hell is this? Colorway is crazy. So much going on. Oh, and it has 3M as well on that backside. Okay. Oh, on the tongue. On the Nike sign as well. Okay. That's just a lot going on. $95 for these grade school. In grade school, LeBron's $50 right here. Got the gum bottoms. Okay. Black fake suede right here. Go for $120. Pretty dope spot. Just opened. One of the better retail shops here. That's what's up. All right, got a couple more stores. Shoe Palace right here. Jordan section, pretty much the same as most other ones. Actually, less Jordan retro. Do got these Forum lows right here with the cracked leather. Okay, down to $70. Normally $100 for $30 off. That's not too bad. Not a huge fan of the cracked leather though. Sabrina's right here in the women's section. These are an Oregon Ducks colorway, I guess. Okay, it says Quack right there. Dunk from the women's section. This is actually pretty dope colorway. I like that recycled gum bottom right there. These ain't bad. Got these Jordan 1 lows right here with no laces. Black toe colorway. Okay. I think these are an Air Force bag. I do have one of these. I grabbed one for my kiddo. He uses it when he transports his computer and stuff like that. Not really what it's made for, but yeah, these are going for what, $90? I think I grabbed it for like $30. Yeah, I grabbed it for $30 at the Nike clearance store, dude. That's crazy. $90 freaking dollars. I think I gave one away too. I gave one away. Did a giveaway. Yeah, I think I did a giveaway. Yeah, I forgot when, but I gave away. I think Andres ended up with that one. Okay. Been seeing these at a few spots. These black toes Chicago Dunks, not bad. Not bad. Oh, they changed the Nike sign on the medial side. But these, not bad, dude. $90. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the Dunks. Leather's pretty mediocre, but the colorway, so. I wasn't even gonna record at this place, but do got some Gore-Tex right here. Air Max 90s. Do got 38s right here. $100 off the 38s. And do got lows, got mids. This was actually a doper one. Kind of reminds me of like the PSG Jordan 1 highs, but that's not bad. Been seeing these on sale everywhere. I guess they have a blue version. That's an SC as well. I've never noticed that. $135 for those. And then Dunks. Starting to see Dunks on sale. These are going for $85. Also see these $35 off. This is a dope colorway actually. More Air Max 90s. I feel like there was a big run on Air Max 90s and then they made a million colorways and then now they're all on sale. I guess it's like that with everything. Because yeah, that did happen with the Air Max 1s as well. They just made a gazillion different colorways. I don't blame them though. And 15 off for these. I would say be patient for the 574s. Be patient. We're gonna see the price go down. This is a dope colorway, but we'll see the price go down. And then Duke got these. I've never seen these. These are the what, GT Hustles. It does have the Airmore Up Tempo branding on the medial and the lateral side. $100, dude. $100. And I do love the Airmore Up Tempos, but you can't just throw that on everything. Come on now, right? Come on. And this is actually pretty dope, but no, you can't just throw that on everything. I will not support that. Yeah, you can't just throw Airmore Up Tempos. That's one of my favorite silhouettes of all time. You can't just do that. This is the women's side? No, this is men's right here. Men's right here, $70 for the Grinches. Only have a 10.5 right there. The Grinch forums, that is. Then on this side, do got more of these, 37s, or 38s, my bad. 38s right there. And then the Hardens right here. I don't think I've ever seen these anywhere. I don't think I've seen the volume 8s anywhere. First time I've seen the Hardens. I don't know where the hell Bossco's seen these. Bossco's shown these like 4 or 5 times on his channel. This is the first time I've ever seen these. They look alright. They look alright. I know they've gotten a lot more popular versus the 7s. I wasn't a fan of the 7s. The 8s, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. Curry's on sale. Got Jordan 1's on sale. Got some mids right here. You know the malls get packed when they have valet parking for $10. It's like right next to the regular parking, but they literally just save a few spots. That's hilarious. That's hilarious, dude.